Hello, in front of me I've got PS5. In this video I'll show you how to start and stop recording your gameplay using the PSVR2 controller. As you can see right here, we've got this creator menu button. In order to start recording, press and hold this button. Press this button twice. Now you've started screen recording. If you want to stop it, again press this button twice. Right now I've got the different announcement because currently I'm streaming the game, so I can't take pictures or record the screen while streaming the game. But basically that's the process how you do it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.